Hi mga ka-Ibs! For today's video ay mag-unbox kami ng aming YouTube Silver Play Button Creator Award! Yay! Actually, we received an email from YouTube na pinadala na to sa amin noong January 18 through UPS sa US at dumating siya kanina-kanina lang. Okay? Natin siya door-to-door ng UPS delivery. So, eto siya guys. So, na-reach namin ang 100,000 subscribers pagpas after New Year. So currently, we have 104,400 subscribers and still counting. So guys, kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel namin, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon para ma-inform kayo or ma-notify kayo ng mga upcoming vlogs pa namin. So eto na siya guys. So huwag na natin patagalin kasi excited na kami. Busy lang kami maghapon kaya hindi namin agad nabuksan. Ngayon lang kami nagkaroon ng time. So actually nag-work pa kami until now and it's late evening. So again, buksan na natin siya. So kukunin ko lang muna ang scissor. Ito, naka-ready na, di ba? So ito siya guys. Ayan, ayan siya. So, naka-address siya dito sa bahay with my full name. Ayan. So, meron siyang tracking number dyan and etc. So, buksan na natin. Naka-tape pa siya guys. Ayan. Sealed pa siya. Nung dinala siya ng UPS delivery kanina, yung nag-deliver, ganito na siya nung deliver. As in, eto na siya. Eto na mismo ang box niya. So, tingnan natin. First, hindi pa namin ito makikita actually mula kanina. So, ngayon pa lang. At eto siya. Let us see anong itsura niya. So, naka-sealed siya. Naka-pack lang siya ng tape. Let's see. And eto na siya. Open na siya. At meron siyang cover na black para suspense. Ayan. So, meron siyang letter. Letter from YouTube. Ayan, it's an official letter from YouTube Creator Academy or YouTube Creator Award. So nakalagay dito, we're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. O, di ba? At syempre guys, meron dito, what's this? Oh, eto, meron siyang small card, ayan. So, nakalagay naman dito, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Oh, ayan po siya. Ayan. So, eto na siya, guys. Eto na aming pinangarap. 1 year, more than 1 year in the making. Nag-start kami ng YouTube channel namin ng November 20, 2022. So, more than 1 year. So, January 18. January after New Year na-reach namin. Then January 18 kami ni-notify na ano na siya, sinip na yung award na to. So, ito na siya guys. It's for real. Ayun na siya. Ito. Ayan na siya guys. So nakalagay dyan. Teka, tanggalin natin sa plastic. Ayan. Nakalagay siya dyan, oh. Gutierrez Ciruno Ever After. Presented to Gutierrez Ciruno Ever After. That's our YouTube channel name. For passing 100,000 subscribers. Yay! So grabe. Grabe, no? As in, di namin expect to be honest, guys. Di namin expect. Kaya naman, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa channel namin at sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta nanonood ng mga vlogs namin. And because of this award, meron kaming cash giveaway na ibibigay. So, lahat ng magko-comment sa lahat ng vlogs na i-upload namin starting this month, January, no, nag-start na kami, nakatatlo na kami upload ng vlogs. So, mula January na in-upload namin until February 14 na upload namin. By February 15, mag-announce kami ng mga followers or subscribers na constant na nagko-comment sa mga vlogs namin, and we will give you cash giveaway through GCash. So, as siguro 200 to 1,000 pesos, depende. Okay? So, eto. And then secondly, bukod doon, bilang pasalamat pa rin sa mga subscribers, meron kami guys na nakaschedule on February 13. Magkakaroon kami ng feeding program sa Federation of Persons with Disability sa North Caloocan sa Phase 10, Bagong Silang, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. That's February 13. February 17 rather. Again, February 17, 10 a.m. Saturday yon. So, yung mga taga North Caloocan or taga Bagong Silang Phase 10, puntahan nyo lang kami doon. Again, sa Federation of Persons with Disability Center. Andun kami for our feeding program bilang pasasalamat namin sa aming nakuwang Silver Play Button Creator Award na to. So, again guys, see you kung kaya nyo dumalaw doon. We will be there. So, thank you so much for this. So, ayan. At ang aking hubby dito, ang aking sparing partner ay busy. Gusto magpakita rito? Busy siya sa work pa eh. Ayan. So, ito ang aming dugot pawis for more than 1 year. So guys, thank you so much. And looking forward to your support, continued support pa rin sa aming mga vlogs. Okay guys, so it's time to celebrate siguro. And talagang nakaka-touch. Parang unbelievable, no? Pinangarap lang namin ito ngayon. Eto na, naabot na namin. Abot na. At amin na. So guys, thank you so much. Walang hanggang pasasalamat sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you again. We'll see you again in our next vlog. Bye for now!